What is up guys, good morning, welcome back to another brand new vlog. I'm currently outside. It's currently 5:15 in the morning and yes, I am off to somewhere. I'll tell you guys in a bit. I'm having my camera gears. This is the D850 with the 70-200. So I'm going along with few of my friends to a place called Maliha, which is I guess somewhere in Sharjah or Ras Al Khaimah. And we're going there for a sunrise shoot. I mean, sun might already be out or it's just going to be out in another half an hour probably. But anyways, let's see, we'll do our best and get some good shots. So this is more planned earlier, but now since everything is being eased out, that's why we can do this now, and movement and everything is also way more eased out now compared to what it was before. So we can travel to other Emirates as well, so that is also great. So I'm just waiting for my friend right now, and then we'll be meeting up all in a petrol pump in Sharjah, and then we'll be going. So I'll be probably back home by 10 o'clock ish or something, let's see. But anyways, welcome to the vlog. Hope you're having a great day. Let's see what's going on today. Okay guys, so we are currently middle of nowhere. Those are my friends. Should have not worn slippers, bad choice. Should have worn shoes instead, but yeah, pretty great. Kind of tiring. We walked about say 400-500 meters from our cars, and we are currently in Maliha. That is the crazy Maliha, and the sand is very fine over here, so you're always slipping, but it's fine. Got good grip. So yeah, well, I don't have a drone, but took some shots with my camera. Pretty crazy. We'll probably take some shots from their drones too, and stay tuned, we'll do something good. So it is currently 7:46. People are still shooting there, and there were some bikers, so that is great news. And yeah, apart from that, literally middle of nowhere. This goes somewhere, God knows, but we're about 60-70 kilometers away from Dubai. So it is crazy. We're almost done with our shoot, and then once we're done, we'll probably head for breakfast, or I don't know exactly what's the plan, but it was a crazy shoot today. Got some crazy shots with my DSLR as well, so stay tuned for that shots. And if you're not following me on Instagram, do follow me, which is @AKShoots. And yeah, catch you guys in a bit. Okay, so after a lot of things, we have finally found camels. They're right behind us, not sure whether you can see it, but yeah, so people are gonna fly the drone now and get some good shots. I got some great shots with the camels too, but it's too harsh kind of a lighting now, but overall it's fine. It's crazy, having a great time out here. Not sure if you can hear that, but that's the drone. But yeah, crazy stuff happening today. Crazy shoot, damn hot. That I just wore a t-shirt and shorts, but still amazing shoot happening. So currently what they're doing is that he's flying the drone, and that guy is taking the sports car and coming right on the track. So they're going to fly the drone, which is probably there. Not sure whether you guys can see it, but yeah, that is going to lead for some great shots. Currently sitting in the car, just chilling for a while, and damn hungry, so can't wait to eat something. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. So I'm finally back home. Gonna probably eat something. I'll first take a shower because it's full of sand and dust. Eat something, sleep, get up in the afternoon because I've not slept the entire night. And yeah, great day today. Yo guys, what is up? It is currently 7:05 in the evening. I got a 1 hour back, and then I just sat down for editing my photographs. Take a look at these photographs. It is kind of good results which I got, so check this out. So I'm still exporting these, but this is kind of a minimalistic shot which I'm just shooting, which I shot today morning, and I feel it is great. This is another shot, and this is basically a stitched panorama of 55 different shots with different bracketing. I'll be explaining that in probably another separate video, but this is great. The result is amazing, and I got another panorama as well. So probably around 3-4 posts it will come within this week. I don't want to spam. I'm again going out tomorrow somewhere for some fun activity. I'm probably going for quad biking or dune bugging tomorrow, so super excited for that in the evening. Tomorrow entire day I'm going to be busy. I'll probably just vlog the quad biking part of it, because first part is going to be spending time with my family, so I don't want to vlog that. But yeah, that is pretty much. I'm completely busy tomorrow. So now what is the plan? 7:06. Definitely I'm not going to sleep now again, but like I'll stay up, probably have a chit chat with my friends, probably go out for a cycling or something. I'm not sure, but I'm not go out. I'll just continue editing my pictures and edit this vlog. And yeah, that is pretty much it. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let's see if I can continue the vlog. I shall continue it. Okay guys, so it is currently 8:46 and I'm gonna crash off in a bit. I just finished eating dinner. Probably going to continue editing these images tomorrow, and after tomorrow's shoot I'll just edit them all together and just work on them. But anyways, I've edited about 10-15 pictures probably, so yeah, it has been great. So thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you did, please do hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Peace out, stay home, stay safe.